and she got admission on a government seat in Karnataka, one of the best colleges over there, on a government seat with a government rate, nothing, no extra fees. So many miracles happened. My mother-in-law, my wife's mother, she was having a severe pain abdomen. I was down somewhere in Bangalore. My wife phoned me up. They took her to a small nursing home in Gurgaon, diagnosed acute pancreatitis, stage 3D, got CT scan done, all organs thickened, everything. So they told her, look, it's a very bad prognosis. You can shift her to anywhere you want. So she phoned me up. क्या करें? मैं कहा मेरा सिलेबस तो दोबारा है, Thursday तो गुरुजी को चली जा. She came to Guruji, started howling कि मेरी माँ को ये हो रहा है, ले जा कुछ नहीं. And she said, what the hell? I mean, मेरी हमारा खून पानी ये ऐसे कैसे हो सकता है? His mother was sick, you did this, and my mother is sick, you're not doing this, but I'm not going to accept it. So she had a photograph in her pocket. We looked at ऐसे चलता. Banqueting time from 2,800, we're back to 300, 400 in the next 2 or 3 days. We couldn't find a cause for the whole thing. They said, let's repeat an ultrasound. One small calculus they found sitting at the opening. Just got it out and everything just settled down. You know, you go through the miracles, it's really fantastic. My nephew was admitted in Bareilly. Every day he used to howl, I want to come back, I'm sick of life, if you don't take me, I'll do this to myself. I came to Guruji, मैं गुरुजी रोज बोलता है, तब ठीक है बुला लो उन्हें वापस. मैं कहा बुलाऊं कैसे? आपने तो कहा था भेज दो, आप पहले कहा भेज दो, आप कहते बुला लो वापस, ऐसा थोड़ा होता कोई काम. अच्छा थर्सडे आई मेरे को. I went on Thursday. अच्छा कल आई फिर तो कल आ गया मैं. उसका रोज मेरे को फोन आया, मामू कम एंड पिक मी अप, आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू स्टे ओवर हियर. आई वाज आल्सो गेटिंग फ्रैंटिक. मैं फ्राइडे फिर गया, अगले हफ्ते निकला, फिर थर्सडे पहुंच गया. अच्छा कल दसांगा तेनू मैं. फ्राइडे इवनिंग आई वेंट, ही सेड ठीक है जा, कुछ नहीं सब ठीक है. That boy never phoned up after that कि I am sick of life. He goes back happy. Out of a class of 60 students, 35 failed in his first semester. That chap passed. A dud over here, he passed with 68% marks. I really do not know how. But his blessings are there. And you ask anybody who come to his Sangat, it's not me who's talking. Everybody has so many episodes to tell. And after having grilled a scientific basis into everybody, there is no explanation because probably he is on a different plane, totally on thoughtless plane, which none of us can even think of approaching. And that's how things work. I so many times I tell Guruji, इतना एक common institute, Guruji Institute of Medical Education and Research, suppose you अपना होते GJ Institute of MER करके have that over there. Why go to कोई साउथ में किसी टेम्पल में, कोई वेस्ट में कहीं टेम्पल में जा रहा है, अमरनाथ में जा रहा है, तो मैं उज्जैन गया, महाकाल over there, he was there, he was sitting over there, he is there everywhere, and you know that he is there. You have his fragrance, you have his presence felt. I left after taking permission from Guruji. I left his stay about 10:30 at night. I must have gone not more than 500 yards. I get a telephone call from somebody. गुरुजी बुला रहे थे. अभी मैं कह मैं निकल गया हूँ आ गया लेके. गुरुजी कह रहे पहले टर्न तो वापस मुड़ गया बस. From the first cut, I just turned U-turn, went back to Guruji. हाँ जी गुरुजी चाय पी ले. I had tea and he said जाओ वापस. Why did he call me? Maybe at the next crossing there was a truck waiting to hit me out or something of that sort. I mean, मानो तो गंगा मैया ना मानो तो बहता पानी. I mean, why? You cannot change that truck's route, but he could change my route at least, and that is what he probably did.
डील बन गई, प्रमोशन बन गई, सात लाई को पता ना बड़े बंदर में चंडीगढ़ डॉक्टर से हाँ ऐसी हूँ ऐसा नहीं मिले कहाँ एक बार आएंगे आया करता कहाँ रहते हैं हम? दो आईडिया में नो आईडिया ही है, कोई मुश्किल है जो ऐसे उजागर से कमली वाले उससे आना सारे आया करते हैं बताओ हो गए
ऊपर सब हो गए
हो गए सारे ना दिया रश्मि आया
क्यों पूरा फोन है मैं एंटर किया हूं नेक्स्ट पे
जब आलम मिले यार साजलाई ना बड़े मंदिर में ना साजलाई को बड़े मंदिर में आए
7 जुलाई को बड़े मंदिर
काम
आ जाते हैं वेट करें
बहुत दिनों बाद मिले साजलाई को गढ़ क्लास में कहा आप कहा अच्छा मटका ना न्यूज इसका है मटका है ना पूरी तरह पाइए
हाँ जी हाँ जी
उनकी बुआ है अभी तक
हाँ जी
मामा की बहन।
नोड़ा में कहा थे आप
640 रिकॉर्ड